Hi! So today we're gonna make marble cake. Hi guys! Please support the channel by giving us a like, subscribe and share. Enjoy the rest of the video. For marble cake, we're gonna need 1.5 cups of flour. The cup is the normal 250 grams. 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 200 milliliters of oil, 200 milliliters of milk, some orange and lemon peel, baking powder, cocoa powder, vanilla essence, orange essence, lemon essence and a little bit of rum essence. So we're gonna start first with preparing the tray. You can use any tray. This is the one I chose for today. You can use oil or butter. Today I have spray oil, which helps to coat properly the tray. Okay. Use a tablespoon of flour. We'll try with a tablespoon first. When you go around the tray, make sure you coat with flour everywhere so it doesn't stick. Go around everywhere nicely. Okay. The excess you can put it on the side. You don't want too much flour in the tray. Now we leave the tray on the side and we start preparing the eggs with the sugar. So we're gonna need the 2 eggs, whole eggs today. And all the sugar. Okay, we start mixing until it doubles or triples the volume. Now, the sugar and eggs has tripled its volume, but the sugar is not melted, which is okay. That's all we need. Now we start adding the oil slowly but slowly, a little bit until we finish all of it. We still use the mixer. After we finish with the oil, we do by hand. Okay? So we start adding the oil. Now we finished with the mixer. We can take it on the side. And we're gonna use the whisk. So all manually. Yeah. It looks really nice and creamy at the moment. We can add all the milk in one go. Mix it slowly until you incorporate everything. Now we have to add the flour slowly, a little bit by a little bit, mixing from inside to outside. That way it keeps the bubbles and the air outside, and it's gonna be really nice. It's gonna rise properly the cake. Yeah. So we add slowly the flour. 2 tablespoons at a time. So from inside to the outside. Until you incorporate all of it. Don't forget the sides as well. Take all the flour. Okay. We'll add some more. You can use plain or self-raising flour, either way. If you don't have orange or lemon peel, you can always add the essence. What I do whenever I buy oranges or lemons, I grate them, put them together with sugar and store it in the fridge, and you can keep it for months. Anytime you bake, you can add a little bit, a teaspoon or as much as you need. It looks really nice and creamy. Okay, let's add half a teaspoon of orange and lemon peel. Like I said, I had them in the fridge with sugar. Half a teaspoon of baking powder. It's good to always use the sieve when you put the baking powder. It smells really nice from the lemon and orange peel. Really nice. Let's add a little bit of vanilla essence. Not too much. I don't like too much vanilla. Just a little bit for the sweetness. And a little bit more orange peel, orange essence. Not too much because we don't want to overpower it with the flavor. Okay. It's all done. We're gonna take a quarter of a mixture, put in a different bowl. Yep, I think this should be okay. Okay. Now in the quarter of the mixture, we're gonna add the cocoa powder. To make the chocolate mixture for the marble cake. 2 full teaspoons, which is equal to one spoon, tablespoon, and this would be enough. Okay, and a little bit of rum essence. All the chocolate cakes with the rum essence, they taste amazing. Nice and chocolatey and creamy. Okay. So we're gonna put now the first layer of vanilla cream. Try to put it even everywhere. Saved some. Let's put some of the chocolate one. You can put a little bit in fuses. Here and there, spoonful of chocolate. We can use the teaspoon to mix it in a little bit. The chocolate one with the white one. But just make sure not to touch the sides of the tray, because they are coated with flour and oil already. Okay. We put the rest of the vanilla mixture. Again, try to put it everywhere a little bit. And we're gonna do the same thing with the chocolate one. And then we're gonna mix it a little bit with a teaspoon again. Again a little bit on top. And that's it. We're gonna put it in the oven at 180 degrees for half an hour, or until it passes the test with a skewer or knife, whatever you wanna check it with. It's around 30 minutes, but it's depending on your oven as well. So we're going to put it in the middle. comes out as dry, it means the cake is baked. It's all done. We're gonna leave it here for around 10 to 15 minutes to cool down. Now my cake is ready, has cooled down, and we can cut a slice to see how it looks inside. Before that, we're gonna put some icing sugar on top. Let's try and cut a slice. You can add some ice cream on top, cream or custard, whatever you like. I prefer it plain, with just a little bit of icing sugar.